Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So today I am going to go over a product that I did review like 2.5 years ago, like in the very beginning of my channel starting. But my hair was different then. Like I was doing keratin treatments once a year during like the spring summer months, and I didn't do keratin last year and I'm not doing it. I don't think I'm going to do it this year. No, I'm probably not going to do it this year. I'm giving my hair a break from it. Not that it damaged it, because it really didn't. When keratin was like fully out of my hair, at least I think it was, my hair went back to normal. It didn't do any long-term damage at all. If anything, the reason why I probably won't get it again is because I have this channel and it's mostly for like curly hair, and I want to try products that will work for my type of hair. Because my hair is naturally coarse, I have a lot of it, it's thick, but when I get keratin, my hair becomes more wavy. And the texture is like thin and soft and light, which I'm not gonna lie, I love it. But you know, then I don't know, like I just want to embrace my curls now at this moment. I'm not saying I'm not gonna do keratin again one day, because I probably most likely will. Just probably not at the moment. And my last keratin treatment was like not the best one, so it kind of scarred me just a little bit, because I have to research name brands of keratin, and I went to 3 different places because it just happened to be like I didn't go to that hairstylist anymore, so I wasn't going to go back to her for keratin. Like that would have been weird. So I found a new place. That place worked, but then I found a new hairdresser, so I thought I would go there for keratin, and she didn't do my hair, but someone else did, and she did a great job. But they did 100% like organic, natural keratin, which obviously is better for you, but my hair like turned orange, and it didn't even like make my hair feel that much better, because like I like the texture that it makes my hair. It makes it soft. It was just like, so now I'm like, and I remember that name, so I'll make sure not to get that one. I think it was Cezanne, and I don't know the names of the first 2 keratins I got. So, but in any event, I'll do more research in the future if I ever do decide to do keratin again. And I'll just do products for wavy hair. Okay, so, but this one I want to try on my full-on curls, no keratin. My hair is longer than it was when I did this video. So I do want to like actually revisit some old products that I've tried years ago that when my hair was different, and see how it looks now. So I think that could be a good idea, because I'll probably still have the products here. Okay, so this is from Wella Professionals. This is Curl Shaper Nutricurls 72-hour curl defining gel cream. So this is supposed to be great for humidity, gives you a glossy, bouncy, polished, curly hair look. Let's read what it says. Get polished definition, control, and bounce with this curl enhancing styling gel cream. That's it. Apply to damp curls. Okay, so I'll do my usual, since I've been talking a lot anyway. We'll just move on and see how this goes. Do you guys ever get water in your ear from the shower? I don't know how it gets in there, but I could tell I have water in my ear, and I could hear like in my head myself echoing, and it's kind of driving me crazy. Oh, it's a cool pump. Okay, typical cream, but it is on the more runnier side. Okay, let's get styling. I think today I'm going to style my hair like I used to over the summer. Makes it a little bigger and fuller. I did it the other day and I liked it, so I'm going to go back. I change my technique here and there depending on the mood I'm in. So, here we go. Okay guys, hair is done and it looks really good, like really good. This goes for about $20, by the way, at Ulta. That's where I picked it up. And I'm glad, because when I reached the $20 mark, I'm like, this better work. And it does. I'll move up. You could see the curls are defined. They're definitely frizz-free, and they feel soft. Not crunchy. Perfect. And it gave me nice curls. It's also the styling technique I used. I will hopefully remember to post that video where I showed you. I have a video showing the technique I used today. It does give me a little bit more of a fuller, curlier look. And sometimes I'm in the mood for that. The other way I normally do, when I just like sit there with the diffuser, is more of a calmer look. Just depends on what mood I'm in. But I like the way it came out. I really do. I think this is a great product. So we'll do the usual. It's supposed to help with humidity. We'll see. I did want to mention some of the ingredients, and it didn't say it on the bottle. I just realized. There's a Nourish In complex of wheat bran extract and jojoba oil, and that jojoba oil is good for curly hair. I would do a 72-hour test, but that would have to be during the week. I mean, I could see how it looks in the morning. Maybe I could post that on the end of this video, since it's claiming to last a long time. And a lot of you guys ask me about second day hair, and I'm not the biggest fan for my hair of second day hair, because my hair is just like not the best on the second day unless I have a lot of good product in my hair the day before. And when I sleep, I literally just put my hair up, like on my pillow, you know, so it's just flary. Of course, obviously throughout the night, it's gonna get underneath and some of the curls might get messed up. But if I put it in a bun, sometimes like my hair just tends to like, it will stay underneath. It'll just be upright too much then. So I like to leave it down and loose. I don't know, just second day hair. And at the point, then people will spray it with a water bottle. I'm like, at that point, I might as well just wash it. Not wash it. At that point, I might as well just go in the shower and condition it. I like to wake up anyway every day in the shower, so I might as well condition it. So that's why I don't really do second day hair, but I have before put a little dollop of something in and just work it through, and it's fine. So we'll see how this goes in the morning. I hope I remember. I will try to remember to show you guys in the morning. Not right away, because I'll look like death in the morning, but okay. So we'll also see how this lasted throughout the day as usual. It's Friday, so I'm happy about that. And that's that. So I will see you guys in a bit. Okay, I'm in my new favorite spot for lighting. So I like to jump on lately to show you in daylight how my hair looks. And clearly, it looks beautiful. Looks really good, like it looks full. And the curls look perfect, shiny, bouncy, everything that it said it would. So I'm excited, getting hungry, and I don't know what to make because I have no more spinach and kale, so I can't have a shake. Everyone in my house today made eggs. It's weird. It's like everyone had eggs today. So do I feel like I have to join on the bandwagon and make eggs? Should I have eggs? It's lunchtime. All right, I don't want to bore you. So I'm gonna go. It's a quiet house. I really feel like I have nothing to put on today, but I'll try and find things. Hair's looking good. Hair's looking good. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. Too soon? Well, I'm so excited because I forgot I had leftover spinach pie from dinner last night from a Greek restaurant, so I'm so excited. So I'm gonna make that. In case you guys were worried, like what am I gonna eat? I thought I would tell you. So I'll see you later. And as usual, someone knows when food's gonna come around. Remember, according to the doctor, you're on a diet, so you already had a little bit of eggs today. I'm in trouble. Okay? So cute. He's so cute. Guys, do my eyebrows look like Groucho Marxy? Like, I wanted to make them a little bigger. Like, I want to get rid of that arch that I always have and just kind of go straight across, but they came out good yesterday. Today I feel like a cartoon character or something. Like I have these big eyebrows. And I don't have any, I didn't put any eyeshadow on. I just didn't feel like it. So like they're really standing out. But my hair looks good. It does, right? Like my hair looks really good. So next weekend, my husband and I are going on a trip alone to Florida. Just the two of us. We haven't gone away, just the two of us, and I don't even know how long. Leave the house to the kids. I'm sure they're very happy that we're going. And yeah, so I'm wondering what product to bring, because last time I went to Florida and I let you guys know, like, my hair was just frizzing up and it wasn't even that hot. It was a couple months ago, whatever, not even, well, yeah, a couple months ago, and so it wasn't even like, it was like midsummer. So I'm wondering, because I can tell by the feel that this might hold in the humidity, because it does say for humidity, but you know, let's be honest, don't they all try to say that? So I'm thinking this might be a good one to bring. Like, it feels like a little stiff, but not crunchy stiff, and not bad stiff. Sometimes too soft is like, it looks really nice, but it might not hold. So I am thinking of bringing this product with me, maybe. Okay guys, I am going to bed. Is it midnight?
What?
Almost midnight. It's almost midnight. I'm out of breath because I just like ran up the stairs. And I have to wash up. Don't you hate when you have to wash up?
I know.
And it's like a whole like 20-minute process. I don't want to do it. But I plan on drawing those curtains, not letting any sunlight in, and I am sleeping in tomorrow. Let it be known. It's not even that I sleep in.
I'm working out of my hours.
Good for you. She's been good. It's more about that I just don't have to get my body out of bed really early. I could just kind of lay there and I check my phone. Then I'll go back to sleep. I'll play with Wilma. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not that I have to get out. It looks yellowy, right? It's the lighting.
Just laying
the
bed.
lights are yellow, that's why. Just laying in bed and relaxing. Yeah, but it's not as pretty. I like the lights. That's fine.
This light is white.
I'm gonna try to remember. I'm gonna try so hard to remember. I might bring this camera with me to bed and show them, because this is supposed to last 72 hours. But I want to see how it looks in the morning when I wake up. I'm just gonna cover my face. Can I put like pixels on my face? All right. Do not look at my face because I just woke up. But I washed. That's why I have like lotion and stuff. But I mean, my hair still looks really good. I'm gonna tell you though, I would go out like this. I just it doesn't feel as soft, but you could totally, like, this totally lasted overnight. I don't put my hair up in a bun. I just like, I try not to sleep on it. Like, I try to like lift it above my pillow, if you know what I'm saying. But look, it really did last. Looks really good. I would definitely go out with my hair down like this. So, and I don't even feel like I have to put more in. I think it looks good. Yeah, I think it looks good. Just again, I look horrible. So yes, I'm saying goodbye. So I'm saying till next time. I don't like goodbyes. Till next time, I will see you guys later. And that's it. Have a good one.